Here's a few changes I made to Zoe the robot recently. One of the first things I did was I installed my new magnetic sensor to read the teeth on the small sprocket that drives the wheel instead of the larger sprocket, because the large sprocket wobbled too much and it would miss counts. Another thing that I recently did was I changed out the voltmeter that used to be in this spot here, and I added a power volt amp watt hour meter for more diagnostic information on how long the batteries last, things like that. And also I built my board for reading the wheel odometry from the sensors, and it's got a Arduino on it, Arduino Nano, and I've got the opto isolator on there, and it's got a 5 volt and a 12 volt power supply built onto the board. 12 volts for the sensors and 5 volts for the Arduino, and it keeps track of the right and left wheel counts. I'm going to start the motor now. And every 2 seconds it updates the counts on the right wheel and the left wheel, how many sprocket teeth went by. That's all for now.